Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited, your trusted partner in high-quality packaging and PP woven machinery solutions. Cement builds our world, and behind every strong structure, there's a strong bag. Introducing India's first gusseted cement valve bag machine from Five Fingers Exports, which is the only machine in India which runs with and without gusseted bags. Engineered to transform the way India packs its strength. Innovation is our foundation. Every valve bag machine begins with a spark of creativity and precision. Designed by our in-house R&D experts, each detail ensures perfect valve forming accuracy. We believe durability starts with materials. Only the finest grade raw materials are used to craft machines that last. Built to handle long production hours and the toughest environments. Skilled hands meet advanced technology. Every component is carefully assembled, tested, and fine-tuned for seamless operation, with production speeds optimized for cement and industrial packaging lines. Every dispatch is a promise, securely packed, safely shipped, and delivered on time. Our engineers handle full on-site installation and operator training, ensuring you start strong from day one. Our partnership doesn't end at installation. With continuous support, genuine spare parts, and quick service, we make sure your production line runs without interruption. Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. The trusted name behind India's first cement gusseted valve bag machine. Combining precision, performance, and partnership to build the future of industrial packaging. See you next video.